Do you have an error with the Windows Media Video Core DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Windows OS Core working again. To begin our Windows Media Video Core troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Windows Media Video Core, the core execution library for the Windows Media Video WMV framework, which supports playback, encoding, and streaming of ASF and WMV media formats. It integrates with the Windows Media Pipeline. On systems lacking this component, applications such as launchers or communication tools may crash when attempting to play embedded video sequences. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This issue is commonly linked to missing graphics runtimes affecting Windows Media Video Core DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX DLLs, then update your graphics drivers if the file is GPU-related. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Windows Media Video Core component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Warning: Windows Media Video Core DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Windows Media Video Core. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Windows Media Video Core error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.